Welcome. If you're looking to make your Telegram group more secure and exclusive, switching it from public to private is the way to go. In this quick and updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your Telegram group type to private. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat you want to change. You'll find all your groups listed in your chat list. Just tap on the one you want to update. Now, at the top of the group chat, you'll see the group's picture or name. Tap on it to access the group's information page. This is where you can view group members, shared media, and manage settings. Next, look for the edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or the word edit at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to enter the group's settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll until you find the option labeled Group Type. Tap on Group Type to open up the privacy settings for your group. Here, you'll see two options: public and private. Select private to make your group accessible only to those who are invited or have the invite link. Once you've selected private, don't forget to save your changes. There will be a checkmark or save button. Tap it to confirm and apply the new setting. That's it. Your group is now private. Only people you invite or share the group link with will be able to join and see the content. This is a great way to keep your conversations secure and limit access to trusted members only. If you ever want to switch back to a public group, just follow the same steps and select public instead. Remember, only group admins or owners have the ability to change these settings, so make sure you have the right permissions before you start. Thanks for following along. For more helpful tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other guides. Stay safe and enjoy your private Telegram group.